Great. Ready. Hi, Carol here and Hannah from
Tiny Space Health.
From Tiny Space Health. Circuit, abs, core, about 20 seconds, 30 seconds for each movement and continuous. No stopping.
No stopping.
Yeah. Good?
We're good to go.
Ready. Are we down?
Yep.
Okay, we're starting with single leg stretch, which is a Pilates move. So I'm doing the easy one, just grabbing here.
Yep.
Hannah's doing the harder one. Probably help if I looked at the clock. Let's say that's 10 seconds. A little bit more. So shoulders off the floor, yeah, if you can. Let's call it a day. Okay, legs up. We're going to do reverse crunches. Down for 2, up for 2. Down for 2, up for 2. So you can have it in close to your bottom like this. That's a little bit easier, yeah? If you want to make it harder, legs are out. Yes. So we're going to try to work all the areas of the core as much as we can. Okay. Okay, hold it here. We're going to do what they call sometimes, what do you call it? Bicycle, don't you?
I call that.
Side to side. Or obliques. Oblique kicks, we call these ones. Nice and slow. You can tap down if that's too hard. This is a bit easier. So shoulder towards the knee. Couple more, couple more. Okay, we're going to go into a Pilates side plank. So go over here and arms are out and we'll lift those legs. So we're holding the plank in a Pilates. This is a Pilates plank. Your hand can be here to keep your balance. I will keep an eye on the clock from now on. But if you want to work harder, you're here. So you've got to really squeeze the abs in, lift those legs, really hold them nice and tight. Let's go 5 more seconds. Yeah. Hold, hold. Okay, over. Full plank or plank on the knees. And I'm looking at the time, I've got a little clock here right in front of me. So full plank, keep your bottom down. This is super fun for me, not really, because this is really slippery on the floor.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's not much fun. So I've got to work my abs twice as hard to hold this position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, locust. Watch Hannah. Yeah, see locust there? Yeah, so what she's doing is she's squeezing shoulder blades. I'm going to sit here and explain. Lifting the feet up, squeezing it there. I'm going to put my legs out of the way so I can see her. Yeah, you can do it. You can hold it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll over to plank on the other side. So Pilates plank. Second side, arms out. And lift those legs. Balancing here if you need, or arm here. So we're nearly done. One more after this to get through the circuit. Hold it, really squeeze in your glutes, lift those legs up. Hold it. Okay, bring your knees up and push yourself up. Okay, we're sitting. Next round. Ready? Roll backs. 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Okay, the timing's fluctuating, but that's normal for me.
Just having a bit of fun.
We're doing between around about 20 to 30 seconds. And up. So as you do this, rolling back, curving your spine, as you roll up, it's like rolling over a big ball, yeah? And back. We're going to do a 30-second one with this, aren't we?
Yep, yeah.
Okay, we're going to roll down. That's about 30 seconds. Coming back down, all the way down to the floor. This is your little break. Yeah? Single leg stretch. Here we go. Legs are up. You can be here where Hannah is.
Yep.
Or you can be just where I am, shoulders off the floor. Okay, we're kicking it out. Kick. kick. I looked at the time this time. We're going to do, 20 seconds. I promise.
I'll hold you to that.
Yeah. We're good. Okay, that's 20 seconds. Let's go down for 2. Reverse crunches. Try to imprint your spine down onto the floor as you do this. Try not to have a big curve in your back. Yeah, because we're trying to protect the spine.
Yep.
Just a couple more. Just look at the time here. Just one more. And then we're going to oblique kicks. Our legs are here.
The best.
Lift up. Oblique kicks. I'm doing little ones. You're doing full ones.
Yeah, I am.
And back to the middle. 20 seconds only. 10 seconds to go. She got the short straw with this one. Yep. One more. This is it. Okay, side plank. Are we good?
Ready?
Side plank. We're here. Balancing. Lift those legs. So, Pilates plank. Arm here. Try to keep your balance. Hannah's got her arm right out underneath. I've got mine here, so less availability to balance, which is good. Got to work your core to stay balanced. Really sucking your tummy in. Okay, we're nearly there. Okay, turn over and plank. Knees or toes. I'm watching the time. Ready, set, and go. Hannah's got the easier one.
Yep, I got the best straw.
So remember, suck in through your belly button. And try to keep your spine straight. Really, if you're doing the one like me, you've got to really strengthen those legs. Push out through the legs. Keep them nice and strong. Okay, we're nearly there. Nearly there. Okay, down to locust. I'm going to do it with you this time. Nose grazes the mat. Shoulders come in. Push out. I'm doing upper locust. Hannah's doing full. Okay, see how the legs are off the floor? She's probably got a really cool look on her face at the moment, doesn't she? Okay, a couple more seconds. Let's go. Couple more. And we're over. Pilates plank, second side. Legs are up and strong. Arm here or here to balance. I'm just having a cramp in my right leg at the moment.
Oh no!
Hold it. Stay with it, lift those legs, really squeeze the butt. Yes. Nearly there, knees are up, okay. Knees are up, push up. Okay, just close if you need. Ready, curl over, we're going back. 2, 3, 4, and roll up over a ball, yeah? So get the shoulders, pull them back. And roll up over a ball. Pull the shoulders back. Stay with it. I'm honest, I didn't actually look at the clock. But I like this one, so we might just keep going a bit. Yeah?
Yeah, just keep going.
Okay, a little bit more. Let's go, keep going. Okay, one more. 3, 4, and up. Okay, that's excellent. That's the second round. Let's roll back down to the floor, all the way down. We're back to single leg stretch. You good? Imprint onto the floor. Yeah? Out, 2, in, 2. So make sure, again, that lower spine is pushed into the floor. So you can be with me, or Hannah's making it harder. Yeah. The best. Or tap the foot down. If it's getting too much, just tap it down. You know, like this. It's good to stay slow with it. Trust me, it really is. It's much better. Yeah? Okay, legs up, reverse crunch. Here we go. Down, 2. Hannah's doing the easier one here. I'm going to do harder. I've got to do at least one harder, don't I? Actually, the plank I've got the short straw.
You've got the short straw for that one.
I like to swap the legs over there. Yeah. Let's just do a couple more. Let's do 3 more. 2 more. Then we're going to do the bicycle or the oblique kicks. Here we go. Out, 2, in, 2, out, 2. Nice and slow. Out, 2. I think we could do fast ones. What do you think? A little bit faster. Out. So shoulder towards the knee. Shoulder towards the knee. Twisting as you kick it out. Remember you can tap down if you need. Yeah, Hannah's hating this. Let's do 4, 3, 2,
The best.
and 1. Side plank. Over we go. Have a little break for a second. You ready? Here. Straight line. Lift the legs up. Hard as, that's easier. Hard as here.
I'm gonna do hard too.
Good. Good. Hold it. Really squeeze through your butt. Really squeeze through your legs. Lift them up. Both legs. You're working both legs here. Quite a bit longer than normal here. Because I like this one. Okay, excellent. Over we go. Plank. Plank, plank, plank. Hannah's version if you want. Or tuck your toes in. And here, I'm just looking at the clock. We're starting now. Suck the belly button in. Keep your butt down. You're not here. Not here. No, no, no. It's down. It's here. Yeah, keep it down, keep it down, keep it down. And that's 20 seconds. Let's go. Locust. Ready and go.
I got too excited. I started early.
Oh, that's okay. I'm watching the clock. That's why I'm trying to remember what the time is on it. Okay, nice and strong. Remember, you don't have to be there. If you want, you can be here. Legs down. Hey, lift my legs up again. Yes, yes, yes. We're going to do 20 seconds for this one. Come on, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Over. Plank. Other side. Lift those legs. If you want to be like, hey, I feel like I want to look cooler, you do this. It isn't really any different from this, but it just looks cooler. Yeah, arm up. Yes. It's like, yay, how cool am I? But in reality, it's not much difference. Lift those legs. Squeeze, squeeze. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees come up, pushing up, and getting back to do rollbacks. Are we ready? Here. Roll it back. Shoulders pull them back. And then roll over the ball. So we did quite a few Pilates ones in this, but we do them to music because we just love doing the music, don't we? Music's the best, yeah. Is it 3 rounds or 2? 3 rounds. 3 rounds. So do we do more?
We can do a bit
She's
more.
the director.
I can do more. Can you?
Okay, yeah, let's do some more. Yeah. Do we more exercises?
Yeah.
We just make these up on the spot at the time.
Might as well have some fun with it.
Okay. What do you think? We roll all the way back and do single leg?
Single
Should
leg.
we do a whole round? Yeah, why not? We'll do 20 seconds one, short and sharp. Are you with us?
Work hard.
You're with us. Ready, last round. When I say 20 seconds, somewhere around 20 seconds. Here we go. Single leg stretch. Out. I'm going to change the order just to make it more. Is that right? Change the
Absolutely.
order? Okay, bicycle. Go. Out. Just work harder for the end. You can do it.
You've got
Might be
it.
15 4, yep, 3, you can do it, 2, reverse crunches, legs up, go, down, 2, up, 2, 2, was that fun?
Good fun.
Yeah, that's harder. Okay, remember pushing that lower spine into the floor. What's next? I can't remember. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Side planks. Yeah. That's why we do this so long. Sorry, guys. Down for 2 and up for 2.
Working hard.
Ah, you got okay. Side plank. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. Hope my legs isn't right in front of your face. Shall we do the cool bit? Oh!
Cool bit.
It looks cool, doesn't it? I think it
Hey,
does.
Mom, we made it.
Hey, you made it, Hannah. Really lift those legs. 4, 3, 2, and plank it. Go straight in. Butt down. Butt down. Tucking in the tummy, pulling in the belly button. Yes. Nearly there. 5 seconds. We're good, we're good. We're good. And locust straight in. Go. Full one. Come on.
You've got this.
You've got this. We've got this.
We have.
We have. Yep. Okay, roll it over. Side plank. Go. And arm up. Squeeze the legs. Keep your balance. Whoop. Nearly there. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees up. Roll up. Here we go. Back. 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4. Okay, shoulders back. Yes. Are you good?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm sweaty. Are you sweaty? You sweaty?
I'm
You
sweaty.
Yes. We've got to finish on something, don't we?
We do.
Like something
Hard.
Yeah, hard. Oh, not that these don't have to be hard.
Yeah.
Let's roll back. Roll, 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 roll. All the way down. Okay, legs here and pulse. Pulse, come on. Hannah's was one. Put this one in here. Yeah, this track here. Mama made it. She made it. We made it. Stay with it, stay with it, stay with it. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1, and rest. Stretch it out. Point your toes, stretch your arms. I haven't got much room. You can stretch them out. Are you good?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, I feel a bit sweaty after that.
Yeah.
Anyway, we made it.
We made it.
And so did you. Thanks for joining us. I'm going to lie here like this for a minute. Thanks for joining us and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.